Just after 6:30, heading down to the boat. It's time for a morning ski in October in Texas.
Yeah, we'll see if we ski.
I'm psyched. I'm
Now
psyched.
you are.
I know. I'm glad I got up. Oh man, this is the dumbest thing we've done in a long time. Here we go. Shit.
Is it cold?
Wait, bit.
That was fun. I don't think I want to get out of the water.
You want me to push you in?
Like Sparta?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, I'm so nervy. I guess I'm driving.
How do you think this is going to go?
I don't know, because I've never pulled a skier before. Oh, it's not so bad.
It's not bad.
We're getting the drone ready.
We put it on again! No! Out of here!
Oh, I love her. I love her, I really do.
First down, baby! Not even one letter? Not even a single letter. Hey, this is why we live in Texas, right? For the warm weather? I'm freezing. Surviving or thriving, I don't know.